Hello and welcome back to my channel Tech Pro Advice. Today in this video I'm gonna to show you some YouTube funny tricks. So firstly open YouTube. Now enter the text. Use the force look in search bar and click on search icon. So you will see all the YouTube page is running. Another funny tricks. Enter the text, do the Harlem Shake and click on search icon. So now you will see YouTube page is the dancing and shaking very nicely, and also you will hear music from YouTube. So just try it. Another one funny trick, select any random video and type on your keyboard awesome. Only just type on your keyboard, not in search bar, and make enter. So you will see this is the bar rainbow coloring. Now type Doge meme. Make enter. Wow, so you will see all the tags in different color. So it's a very cool feature and hidden tricks for YouTube. So friends, by these tags you can enjoy on YouTube. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.